Associate Professor Edward Litton is an intensive care specialist whose goal is to improve the outcomes for critically ill patients. His contribution to the COVID-19 response has included developing and helping to implement an international clinical trial that has identified effective treatments for severe COVID-19, reporting on national ICU surge capacity, and assisting with policy development.
To try and improve the outcomes for patients who are really sick with COVID needing intensive care. We've been researching the outcomes of the patients we've already treated to make sure that we're learning from those and we can apply them to the next patients we treat. I'm also a director of the Intensive Care Foundation, a charity that administers research grants to emerging researchers in the intensive care field. As a strong advocate for that, I cycled across Australia to raise money. Helping the next generation that comes behind me is how we continue to advance our specialty, and we can all benefit from new knowledge.